Little Costco run.
I'm gonna grab his car like the beginning of January. My bag. Plain ass hot dog.
You didn't even put no ketchup or nothing?
You didn't have any condiments.
Yeah, they did. It was on the side.
Or call 844-711-8800.
Okay. Yes.
To find out more. It's a holiday trailer with a Sounds Christmas pass.
Jolly Christmas. Oh, this is actually perfect.
There you go.
How's the hot dog?
Okay. Something bad with like
Relish and shit, huh?
Call 844-711-8800 or head to SiriusXM.com/gold to sign up quickly. VIP treatment. Unparalleled insider access. Get it all. Introducing the SiriusXM Platinum VIP plan, our newest, most exclusive plan. Listen in 2 cars, plus stream anywhere with 2 apps. Access a massive, exclusive library of live concert video and audio recordings through nugs.net. Have opportunities to experience live and virtual SiriusXM events, including VIP only. It's all included with your premium VIP subscription. Be a VIP. Call 844-711-8800 to learn more. Offer details apply. One login per activated vehicle. Not available in Canada. When you're a SiriusXM subscriber, you've got access to commercial-free music, channels from almost every genre, and channels created in conjunction with the biggest names in music. Eminem, Shade 45, Pearl Jam Radio, Bruce Springsteen,
This is really
Radio,
good.
and more. Visit www.sirius.
Wait, really? Did he ask or you just paid for him? Sorry.
They made this hella quick, huh? The food. Oh, they don't use straws no more? They have it like that?
Oh, you had straws, but I don't want to get one.
How much did you spend?
64.
I spent 70.
Because it was the cheese and crackers. I had to get them because it's traditional for us.
You already know. Okay, classic little Impala. I want a car collection. Bro, why is this hella bomb?
The Costco's always bomb. I'm gonna go home. I'll just take my picture tomorrow.
This is like perfect for my recording.
I should just go to Walgreens real quick.
If you want to, yeah. You can go. I wonder why they took off the photo center here.
Oh no, she said it'll be back in February, remember?
She said that?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even hear her say
She'll
that.
be back in February.
Yeah, I definitely didn't hear her say that. But I really want to go to Tahoe though. I want to go to
We'll
the
go
snow.
for my birthday. I'll take my little GP, my little wood.
So Donnie's gonna buy the one for mom?
Yeah, he already told me. He's like, "Hi, mom." He's like, "I'll buy it for her." I was like, "Okay." He's working overtime next week.
Next week or this week?
Or this week, sorry.
At least mom said yeah. I know it was bomb. Bomb.com.